Hey guys, Monster here at the Monster Garage, and we are going to show you an install of our highway brackets for the Can-Am Canyon. These are really probably the simplest highway pegs to install that we've done. When I first got my Spyder in 2007 and I rode from Florida to Tennessee, the very first product that I made for a Spyder was in 2008, just like a month later, and was highway brackets. And it's always nice to be able to get your feet out, just stretch out on those long roads, highways. You don't want to be in the twisties or in traffic or whatever with feet on the highway pegs. These are mainly just cruising down the highway, and that's why they call them highway pegs. But anyway, we've been building them for all the Spyders for many years now, and the Canyon, one of the very first requests I got from a dealer actually is hey, they went out and rode the Canyon, and they said this thing needs highway brackets, and I told them I'm on it. So got everything in hand. These brackets will be, it's simple 3 bolts. You'll have the mounting arm, the links, the pegs, all the hardware, the beauty caps. They're fully adjustable forward and backwards. So if you're short, you can bring them into you, rotate that peg. If you're long-legged, kick it out. So these are very universal, very comfortable, and right where they need to be. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you. Now this is a complete assembled one. So this is with the beauty caps on, our peg, the bracket. The only thing I tell you that we're changing is this. We went with a 4-inch link instead of 3-inch. Just mainly for shorter people and longer leg people. This works great for me, but we wanted to make it a little more universal for different size folks. So I'm not gonna show you how to bolt this arm on. I'm not gonna show you how to bolt this peg on. It's self-explanatory. What I will say is the shorter bolts, you got 2 size bolts here. Okay, the shorter bolts are gonna go through here into the peg. The longer bolts are the ones that go through here into the link arm. So that's really the only thing you need to be concerned about. As far as tools, to tighten these bolts here, you're going to need 2 19 millimeter wrenches, or 3/4. Basically, it's the same size, 3/4. A T30, and I can't remember what this wrench is here. Let's see. It's like a 1/8 for the cap. That's your little set screw for the cap there. So that's really all the tools you need, and a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit. And that's the one thing I'm not going to be able to show you because I've already drilled these out. So I'll take this over here. This is where you're going to be mounting this. And really all this needs to be done. This is I know this looks like it's just plastic, but there's actually a nice metal piece underneath that makes it real solid. So all you're going to do is pop this off here. This, as you can see, this joint fits in here. Just going to pop that off. This is the bottom piece that just fell out. You're going to drill these holes out to 1/4 inch. That's it. That's the only mod you got to do. So when this goes back on, make sure you tuck it in there. And you can see, so now this is going to sandwich. These are going to sandwich on this plate, this bracket. So this bracket is really doing all the work. The plastic's not really doing anything. So now you want to take this one, put it back in place. Make sure it's snapped in there. Second. tricky to get it fed in there. There we go. Fumbling around here. There we go. Okay, so that's snapped back in. The holes, make sure all your holes are lined up. And basically, put that assembly there. And drop your mounting bolts in. Oh, the light's not that great here. Okay. And you're going to have a nut on the bottom here. And these are 10mm nuts. Oh, that was the other tool I didn't show you. You do need a 10mm wrench. Okay. Slide these down a little bit. And they don't have to be super tight, just snugged up. And this obviously it's going to take a little longer to do the arms and the pegs, but this is just the really important part is this. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is adjust these where you want them. You can fold it forward, you can fold it backwards. You want to tilt this peg to where your foot lands comfortably. It kind of helps to have two people on that if you can, to where somebody's sitting on the bike and somebody's adjusting it for you. Super solid. There's a little flex in it, but that's normal. But the mount itself is rock solid. It's not going anywhere. But yeah, get it adjustment. Now here's a little tech tip, and it's only on this side. Once you get it all locked in where you like it, and you go to put these beauty caps on, you can't get this cap on the back with it in place. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and pull it loose, swing this out, and put your cap on, put the set screw on it, and then bolt it all back in. So that's another step that's only necessary on this side. But yeah, that's it. Super simple. I'll get on it, show you foot placement and all that. It might be a better light on this side here. So right where it needs to be. You got plenty of room as far as your legs not hitting the panels and all that. Super comfortable, super easy to install, and really, if you have any questions, just give us a call at the Monster Garage, and I think you're gonna be happy with them. I have put hundreds of miles on it now, and I'm totally happy with them. Like I say, the only adjustment I made was in the 4-inch link, and that's not really for me, it's more for you. So that's it, guys. That's the Canyon highway bracket, complete setup, ready to go. And we have sets ready to ship now. We got another batch coming in anticipation of people wanting these. And so keep an eye go to lamonstergarage.com and there's a Canyon section. We have windshield phone holders, gonna have backrests. We got driving lights now. We have pretty good product line for the Canyon. So get in there, look around, and I'm sure we got what you need. I've got everything set up the way I want it. And you can duplicate this or your variation of it, but this is a great bike. It's one of the best Spyders I've owned. It's one of the funnest Spyders that I've owned. And if you're a Canyon owner, I don't know how to tell you, you already know. So check it out, the Monster Garage.